AI is set to change the world in the coming years. There will be more AI-powered assistants and chatbots. AI could eliminate a lot of jobs in the future. AI has the potential to improve healthcare. Autonomous vehicles will become more common. AI could revolutionize the retail industry. AI can be used to predict natural disasters. AI will transform the way we live and work. AI could be used to fight climate change. AI-powered virtual assistants will become more advanced. AI can help us tackle major issues facing societies. AI can be used to analyze large datasets quickly. AI can help improve personalized education. AI-powered drones will become more advanced and widely used. AI can be used to detect fraud and cyber attacks. AI-powered robots will become more advanced and capable. AI can help reduce energy consumption. AI can help us design more efficient buildings. AI will alert us to potential health threats. AI can be used to predict crop yields. AI can help us better understand the human brain. AI can help us find new energy sources. AI can improve the accuracy of weather forecasts. AI will continue to evolve and improve in the future. AI can be used to improve public safety. AI can help us better understand consumer behavior. AI can help optimize supply chain management. AI can help us develop better drugs and treatments. AI can be used to monitor and improve air and water quality. AI can help us develop more sustainable agriculture. AI can improve our understanding of the universe and space exploration. AI can be used to improve mental health care. AI has the potential to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. AI can help us develop cleaner and more efficient transportation. AI can help improve manufacturing processes. AI can be used to improve workplace safety. AI can help us make better and more informed decisions. AI can help us automate mundane tasks. AI can help us create more personalized shopping experiences. AI can help us reduce medical errors and improve patient outcomes. AI can help us create more effective marketing campaigns.